Hi guys, you're watching JT Jones. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, and by the way, click on the bell icon so that you receive daily notifications.
What's happening guys, Jones here, back with another video, and in this video we'll be unboxing the HP Omen 2015. So without any further delays, let's get started. First of all, we have this bag over here. So first let's check the bag. This is how this bag looks. It's absolutely nice. We have some hard kind of design over here. It's nice. It will protect the laptop very well. So let's keep this aside. Let's open the laptop itself. How should I open this? I opened it upside down. So there you have it. We have some foam protection. Nice. Let me keep this aside. We have this poster, which also is an instruction manual and other things, but it's a poster as well. Nice. And then we have some HP Omen stickers for sticking it on your non-HP products to make it look cool. And then we have the laptop itself. First impression is it's heavy. It's kind of heavy. So let's see what all we have inside. We have one more box over here which has the power cord, the charging cable, and that's it. Feels up very good, very nice. It's slim and sleek, and you have the HP branding over here, which is nice. So let's have a look at the laptop itself. It comes in this carrying sleeve. Okay. Oh man, that looks like a Lamborghini. That's cool, man. So this is how the interior looks like. We have metal over here, but this is plastic. This thing is metallic, and that's it. That's it for this unboxing, guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, do vote it down. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos. Till then, it's Jones, and I'm signing off.